Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete archived posts on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. When the app is open, tap on your profile icon on bottom right corner and go to your profile. Then tap on three bars on top right corner. Then tap on archive. And you will see your post archive here. If you don't see post archive, then tap on the drop down arrow just beside post archive. And then tap on post archive and you will see all of your archived posts here. Now tap on the archive post you want to delete. And then tap on the three dots of the post and then tap on delete. After deletion, you will be able to restore this post within 30 days. And after those 30 days, your post will be permanently deleted. Now tap on delete. And that is how you can delete your archived post on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.